What's up everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. I hope you guys are doing great, and today's tutorial is actually very simple and easy, basically for those users who are new to Discord and they just recently created their account. But before I move on, just an introduction to myself. If you are new to my channel, I make videos regarding to Discord, all tips, tricks and tutorials from the very basic level to advanced level. And I'm also planning to make videos on how to expand your server, grow your server, and learn how to control it, have great moderations and so forth. So if you are someone new to my channel and you are interested in such kind of topics, then make sure to subscribe below. You don't really want to miss such kind of videos. Trust me, I'm planning on to make a very single deep detailed videos out here. So just make sure to subscribe to my channel. Anyways, let's move on to today's topic. So let's say you just recently created your account, and while you were creating your account, Discord asked you for your username and you randomly inserted something at the moment. But now you want to change your username and you don't know how to change your username. So that's what I'm going to help you guys, and I'm going to guide you on how to change your username. So in order to change your username, all you have to do here is go to your settings, which is user settings here down. You can see here, you click on it and you have to go towards my account tab. And then you're going to see here, where you can see the username, email and phone number. So username here, besides you can see the edit button, you basically click here and then you can change your name into whatever you want here. So that's how you change your username. You can't really change your tag here at the moment unless you're having a Discord Nitro, or there's a different way you can basically force Discord to randomly give you another tag. I'm going to make a video on that someday, but that's all you need to know for now. So once you change your username, you insert your password here and you click done, and you have successfully changed your username. Now, just a short tip here that your username, just your username, not the tags, your usernames are not really unique. So what I mean by here is that if your name is, let's say, tutorial, someone else may also have a name tutorial. So if someone else is having a name, let's say Wampus, you may also have a name Wampus. There is no restrictions on that. Just note that the usernames are case sensitive, so when you're trying to send a friend request, that's where it's going to affect. Anyways, that's all for today. Thank you everyone for watching. If this was kind of helpful, then make sure to leave a like to this video. Kind of gives me the motivation to keep it up. Lets me know that it's kind of helping you guys out. So anyways, that's all for today. Peace out.